If you want to stop Google Photos from automatically uploading your pictures and videos, you can easily turn off the backup feature directly from the app. This is useful if you want to save mobile data, free up cloud storage, or simply keep your media private on your device. Opening the Google Photos applications. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon, which may appear as your profile picture or just a letter. From the menu that appears, select Photos Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control all backup and sync options. Now tap on Backup or Backup and Sync depending on your version of the app. Inside this section, you will see a toggle switch for backup. Simply turn this switch off. Once it is disabled, Google Photos will immediately stop uploading new photos and videos from your device to the cloud. Your already backed up files will remain safe in your Google account, but new ones will not be added automatically. It's a good idea to double check your mobile data settings as well if you want to fully control background uploads. After completing these steps, your Google Photos backup is successfully turned off, giving you full control over what gets stored online and what stays only on your phone.